Okay, so this Excel problem is about the changing demographics between 2015 and 2060. It can actually be, it's a reasonable extrapolation because these things are baked in the cake. So these are not like crazy predictions, probably reasonably accurate. So the first thing we're going to look at is we're doing percent change, really, is what we're doing here. Total change divided by original value, which will be 2015, and as a decimal, then times 100. Actually, times 1. So we're going to make sure we get this right, subtract the right way, because you're going to take 2060 minus 2015. And I'm not going to have to, and that's means a 1.94% change in the number in the population of under 18, right? And I'm just going to drag that down to here. I'm not going to go through here, but actually I could just drag it down and all the way and get rid of this because that's 100%. You got this broken down between both sexes, male and female. You can see some groups are increasing in their percentage of the population, some groups are not. So I'm going to leave this one for you. Percent change of the decimal is going to be just total change divided by original. And they want that 3 decimal places as a number. Or I think it's a number. I believe it's 3 decimals. You can look at that. And the percent change would just simply be that as a percent. I already did this, that's why I have a percent. And I believe it's 1 or 2 decimal places. Maybe 2. And you can drag that down. Now here it's both sexes you want, that means up here, both sexes. So you want to add the 3 categories that give you 100%, which would be, and I'll start it for you, under 18. I don't want that, I want under 18 here. Plus 18 to 64. Plus, and I'll let you figure that one out. Then you'll do the same thing for, that should be 100. I left out a category. You can't do everything for you. You can see I have 100% up here and 100% here because I added the 3 age categories that would give me all of the population. Down here I chose under 18, 18 to 64, and 65 and over, and I put in the percentages for each one. I'll leave that one to you, that one's wrong, right? So in terms of making a pie chart, I grabbed that data there for this pie chart, 2015, and then I grabbed that data there, hit the control key, held the control key, and grabbed that. So now I'm going to do this category with this age groups for 2060. And that's really it. I'm sure you can figure it out because it's a pretty simple problem.